Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCE exam question is configure firewall on desktop x.example.com to allow the HTTP/HTTPS traffic with the following conditions. Firewall deconfiguration must use DMZ zone for all unspecified connection. Traffic from 192.168.100.024 subnet must be routed into the work zone. The work zone should have all necessary ports open for HTTPS, but the unencrypted HTTP traffic should be filtered. Let's start. Desktop X means number. My host name is desktop 10. First, we need to check the status of firewall. Okay, it is active and running. Now, type this command to install SSL module with Apache HTTP server. Enable the Apache HTTP service. Restart the HTTP service. Let's check the status of HTTP service. Okay, active and running. Now configure the firewall setting according to the question. Type the command to set DMZ as a default firewall zone for all unspecified connection. Type this command to set traffic from 192.168.100.024 subnet must be routed into the work zone. Type this command to set work zone for HTTPS service to all. Now reload the firewall. Type this command to show active zones. As per the question, our active zones of these systems are DMZ and work. DMZ zone for all through this system's network interface ENS160 except the source mentioned in the work zone. Work zone for specifically source network 192.168.100.024. Let's check the default zone. DMZ is our default zone as per the question. We can also verify our active zones by this command. Default active zone is DMZ or DMZ. Network interface ENS160. Source not defined means not any specific source, but for all unspecified connection. Work is also default active zone but only for specific source. The work zone has all necessary ports open for HTTPS, but the unencrypted HTTP traffic is filtered. Our question has been resolved successfully. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.